Hello, Mr. Yates. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So, just taking a look at your website, really nice header. I like your logo as well as you have your number and email right here. What I would advise is you have your email as a click to contact, however, your phone number is not. I would definitely have your phone number as a click to call because the quicker they start talking to you, the better. The more they look through your site, the more the excitement lessens, and they might be like, eh. But if they get on the phone right away, that's what you want. All right. So going through your website, I love it how you're a single, you're just vinyl flooring, which is awesome. You focus on that. Vinyl flooring isn't also what we do; it's all we do. I love that. And then going through the different types of vinyl and explaining what they are. And then I did notice that you still have the lorem ipsum stuff on some of them, so I know this isn't fully completed yet. So that is definitely something that needs to be fixed right away. And then you hit the bottom, which you got a nice footer, you got everything between. It's awesome. I don't see a ton of content. So it goes well here, explaining a small explanation. I would probably add more to these as well, and then add more to these, well, change these to what they're supposed to be. But I see about 3 to 400 words. What Google truly is looking for nowadays is about 1,500 to 2,000 words. The reason for that is so that you can organically put keywords throughout your site. Now, what that is a buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google to find your specific services. So, flooring. So, before we get into that, let's check behind the scenes of your website. So, putting your website into our system called Ahrefs, it allows us to check behind the curtains. So, first thing is the UR rating and the DR rating. So, the UR rating is the strength of your website, which is a good 15. And the DR rating, which is Google's trust in your site, you can see is a 0. Now, ideally, we want both of these between 30 to 40. That's just the golden ratio. And the way we do that is with backlinks and referring domains. So what a backlink is any link from another website that leads back to yours. And that other website would be considered a referring domain. So if you have two links from one website, that's one referring domain. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because it's super spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that's relevant to your content and to your service. Now, another super important thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words is Google ranking you for so that when people type in, they find your service? So you are ranking for 5. Let's see what those are. So you're ranking for interlocking vinyl planks, interlocking vinyl, interlocking waterproof flooring, interlocking vinyl flooring. All of these have good volume, however, they are very generic. Anyone who has Google can find them. And then, of course, Yates Flooring is you. Um, so the problem is that someone from Washington State, can put these in and go to your site just because it's not specific to an area. So let's check out what a keyword would be for your area. So the biggest area we have is Virginia Beach. That is the most traffic there is. So I put in vinyl flooring Virginia Beach. I can even just put flooring Virginia Beach. That would be about the same because there's more in flooring. So first thing pops up is the GMB. Now, it's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will stop and pick one of these 3 people because that's the easiest thing to do. Now, the way to get on this, of course, is name, number, address, content, pictures. You put them all. You sign up. You sign up for it. You put them all in. You create your account, and then the way to rank is your name, number, and address in as many places as possible. So, for example, all the directories that you know, all the local, every place you can find in order to rank higher on this. And that shows Google, if they're all the same, for every single one, that you're trustworthy and that you deserve to be ranked high on this. And then you have your organic rankings, and you have your top competitor, which is Floors to Go. So let's check out their website. So as you can see, they got a nice header. They got their logo. They got all their drop downs, which take up the entire screen, which I don't like. They have their click to call, which is great. And then going down, as you can see, they don't have a ton of content. So it would be easy to beat them out there. However, let's check behind the scenes and see why they're doing so well. So taking a look in their Ahrefs, we put their website in. You can see their UR rating, their strength is a whopping 28, and their DR, their trust, is a 44. So you can see they're doing pretty damn well on that. Another thing they're doing pretty well are their backlinks and referring domains. Now, yeah, their backlinks and referring domains are doing really well for them, as you can see. Another thing they're doing well is their organic keywords. What buyer intent words they're ranking for. So let's check to see. So first things first, I know your specific vinyl, but some of these words can be for you as well, like flooring. As you can see, 300 volume, they're in the second position. They're getting 45 traffic from that. Hardwood floors is specific. Floors Virginia Beach, 150. First actual position, 25 people from that, which is awesome. Flooring stores, 90. Second real or first real position, 13 from that. So flooring store, same deal. So they're getting a lot of good traffic because they're ranking for those keywords. So if we're looking to rank, if we're looking to beat them out, what we got to do first and foremost is backlinks. We got to raise those up, get you some strong backlinks. Good thing is you have a roadmap. We know that Floors to Go's backlinks are great, so you can go into theirs and figure out which ones are the best and take them, and then add them to yours. And since you already have some, you'll start ranking better and beat them out. And then, of course, just because you have a strong website, you do need those keywords. So big thing is you need that content. You want that 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, as well as adding more words to your service pages and location pages, so that you can organically put keywords throughout your site so that Google can start ranking you for those good buyer intent words for your areas of service. You do that, put both of them together, you're going to start seeing more traffic and more calls through your site. Now, Ms. Yates, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And if we could leave some feedback, that would always be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.